way, no way. We're going to make America great again. I love you. I love you, folks. Thank you.
You said you would defeat ISIS in your opening statement.
I would.
What would you do to do that? Does that include American boots on the ground back in Iraq?
First of all, the Kurds have to be brought into it because they're good fighters and we treat them terribly. And they're the ones that really seem to be the ones that fight. I would attack the oil. I would take away their source of power. I would take away their source of wealth. You will defeat ISIS.
When you say take away the oil?
Take away the oil.
And by military presence going in and taking over the refineries?
I would bomb the hell out of it. I'd bomb them. And by the way, you can rebuild that very quickly. But I would take away their wealth. They are very wealthy. They're building a hotel in Syria. A hotel. They're competing with me. They're building a hotel. You know where they're wealthy? From the oil. Now, they get donations. I would cut that off. I would find out whoever gives donations. Those are the enemy. And they're coming out of Saudi Arabia and other places. But I would absolutely cut off their source of wealth, which is the oil. I would bomb the hell out of them.
Okay, as commander-in-chief, you would have a massive aerial assault. But in military terms, you just can't do it by air power alone, can you?
I would look at it very carefully. We have other people involved. You do have some great fighters with the Kurds, and they're the ones that really do seem to be the fighters, and they know what they're doing. But they don't have the equipment. We're giving our equipment to people that run every time a bullet gets fired. So I would look very strongly at doing what I said, and I think we would win and win quickly. We all have
a very large Kurdish population.
You said Kurdish? The Kurdish people. We should be using the Kurdish. We should be arming the Kurdish. They've proven to be the best fighters. They've really proven to be the most loyal to us. And as far as I'm concerned, I didn't know that Nashville had a large Kurdish population, but I will tell you that we should be using and utilizing those people. They have great heart, they're great fighters, and we should be working with them much more so than we're working.